Hello kids, welcome to ABC123 Magical Learning. Let's learn number counting 1 to 20 with different colors and tracing. Kids, now let's write the number with different colors. 1, number 1, blue color. Number 1 is with blue color. This is number 2. Number 2 with red color. Next is number 3. Number 3 light green color. Number 4. Number 4 orange color. Kids, next number is 5 yellow color. Number 5 yellow color. Number 6 dark pink color. Number 6 dark pink color. 7 number 7 sky blue color. Number 8 brown color. Number 8 with brown color. Number 9 with golden color. 9, this is 9. Next number is 10. 1, 0, 10. Violet color. Number 10 violet color. 1, 1, 1, 11. Number 11 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1 to 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. Number 14 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. Number 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Number 20. 2, 0, 20. Kids, let's repeat once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye kids.